In this video, the Leçon product sound tool is explained. To initialize a project, the number of sources can be changed. Then the folder in which all reference samples are stored can be selected. As a first design step, we will look into the so-called feature level. In this level, changes on single components or subassemblies can be done, including an initial change in loudness. Pitch is influenced by either pitch shifting or changing the playback speed, depending on the source type. Since we're currently looking to an electric motor, the speed of the motor has a large influence on defining the pitch. In this level also some filtering can be done. High frequency components can be left out to make it more dark, and low frequency components can be left out to make it more bright. For impulse sounds like button clicks, a different filter can be selected. In this filter, a change of material of the button can be modeled. In the feature to object level, the connection of a source to the rest of the product is addressed. A large combination of materials can be selected. And based on a mismatch in the acoustic impedance of the materials, the feature sound will be attenuated. In the next level, the object level, type is suited for single thrusts of energy, like a button press. The iterated is good for discontinuous repeating sounds, for example the ticking of a clock. And the sustain type is good for continuous sounds, like our motor. Second to that, we can add the influence of the housing. This will filter the sound and make the sources sound like they are radiated from the original product. Also, a change in housing material can be modeled, which can move the filtering spectrum, but also increase or decrease the radiation intensity. In the scene level, external factors influencing the product sounds can be added, like how much hand grip the user applies to the product, but also the location of the product relative to the user. External sounds, or so-called distractor sounds, that could be heard in a specific environment, can be added as well. Think of the sounds of an HVAC or sink in your bathroom. At last, the acoustics of the room is modeled. All of this is done to place a product in an environment, to test where adjustments made in earlier levels are likely to make sense in a real-world application.